Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Everyone uses hand sanitizers but doesn't read their ingredients, what a good sanitizer should be. Given the conditions in which the world now lives, it is quite understandable why everyone has a small bottle of antiseptic in their bag. This is an indispensable option for maintaining hand hygiene in the event that it is not possible to use ordinary soap and a tap with water. But few people know that not every such remedy will be really effective in the fight against coronavirus infection. It is important to understand that the main role is played by the composition, which you should always pay attention to. According to the advice of experts, it is better to pay attention only to those products that contain at least 60% ethyl alcohol or 70% isopropyl alcohol. Other ingredients that are permissible in such a product can be sterile distilled water, glycerin and hydrogen peroxide, writes Medicals Press. If you see that the antiseptic contains methanone or 1-propanol, then it is better to immediately abandon the idea of buying it. The thing is that these substances themselves are very toxic. It is also better to refuse hand sanitizers, which contain benzalkonium chloride instead of alcohol, because its effectiveness in the fight against various bacteria, viruses and microbes is much lower than that of alcohol. Experts also do not recommend making disinfectants at home, as the wrong mixture of chemicals can be ineffective or cause skin burns. Experts emphasize that the best disinfectant is water and soap. Antiseptics can only be used if there is no way to wash your hands under the tap. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.